everyone, I, Sheetal Badesra, faculty of BBA department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to deliver a lecture on the topic of nature of management. Number 1. Management is a goal-oriented. It is a tool which helps use of human and physical resources to fulfill the predetermined goals. Number 2. Management integrates human, physical and financial resources. In an organization, human beings work with the non-human resources like machines, materials, financial assets, buildings, etc. Management integrates human efforts to those resources. Number 3. Management is continuous process. Management is an ongoing process. It involves continuous handling of problems and issues. Number 4. Management is all-pervasive. Management is required in all types of organizations, whether it is political, social or business, because it helps and directs various efforts to a definite purpose. Number 5. Management is a group activity. Management is a very much less concerned with the individual's efforts. It is more concerned with the groups rather than individuals. Management is a composite process. This is point 6. It is made up of individuals' ingredients. Ingredients might comprise of all the resources of the organization. The whole process is integrative and performed in a network fashion because all the resources are linked with one another. So, I hope that you have understood the same from the topic nature of management. Thank you very much.